Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Hustling, every day I'm hustling.
All right, YouTube, just want to shoot a quick video here. Got something in the mail, my custom speaker pods for my A-pillars. I'm going to be doing a big project on my doors. I'm going to be doing my own fiberglassing and everything, so I didn't want to spend a lot of time on my A-pillars. So I ordered from customspeakerpods.com. They actually had specific speaker pods for the Hummer H2, and I'm so excited. Let me go ahead and break them out. All right, well, here they are, made of ABS plastic. Very, very good quality, very solid. I'm gonna be very happy with it, I could already tell. Just kind of quick fit up mock-up here. So here is the A-pillar to the H2. And let me go ahead and just lay one on here really quick. Boom, that easy. Look at that. No fiberglassing, no cutting, no drilling. Well, scratch that. I do have to drill and cut and grind a little bit because the speakers that I'm putting in here are bigger than what these holes are designed for. I believe these are up to a 3-inch tweeter or mid-range, and I got a 3.5, which will fit. It's just gonna take a little bit extra work. So what I got here, show you here, I got these DS18s. I think they're gonna look pretty awesome there. They're gonna fit right there, right there. And then they also come with mounting rings. And guess what? I painted them to match the Hummer. So they're gonna go one there, one's gonna go up here, and then the tweeters are gonna, boom, pop right in. So when all is said and done, I think it's gonna look pretty good. And I'll make sure to keep you updated on the progress here. So let's go ahead and get those holes grinded out so we can fit those tweeters in there. All right, so as you can see, I had to widen out the holes a little bit and put the little tabs so that the actual speaker terminals can fit through using my handy Dremel tool here. But I think that's all set to go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mount it up to the A-pillar, get the holes marked, and get ready to drill the holes. All right, so it's all marked up there. I got the holes where I need to drill, so I can use the hardware there included. And I also drilled a hole there and a hole there so I can run the speaker wires once I get the tweeters in on the back side of the A-pillar and connect it to my wires. I got the holes drilled there and there, and then the holes for the speaker wires to run through. So let's go ahead and mount her up. In there, I love how they countersunk the holes so they're nice and flush with the screws. And I also like how they used the lock nuts so that it's not gonna come unscrewed or get loose. So top notch. All right, so one fitment issue is that bolt right there is hitting the side of this on the inside. So it's not letting it come flush so I can actually mount it properly. So I'm gonna have to either remove that or grind it down so that, so that it can actually fit, because that ain't gonna happen right there. All right, first one is done here. I'm not gonna lie, that thing looks like money. Wow. I love the contrast actually between the black, the red, and the silver. Kind of goes with my scheme here on the Hummer. So I think I'm gonna keep it like that. Oh yeah, looks so good. Can't wait to get the other one done, get them installed, and then go ahead and give them a try. All right, well, there is the final product. I think it looks absolutely phenomenal. I love the black housing with the red ring and the silver tweeter. I think it just absolutely pops with the rest of my color scheme. And the positioning is perfect. It's right towards the center / opposite headrest, right where it should be. And it sounds phenomenal. So I'm a happy customer here, and I just love the fact that I got my tweeters up there so that now I can focus on building custom fiberglass panels for my doors and get those 8s and 6.5s in there. So Well, that was the demo of my new tweeters in the A-pillar. I think they sound pretty good. Love the positioning there, love how they look, and I just couldn't be happier. Please like and subscribe.